Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking for business opportunities that can generate income rapidly? In today's fast-paced world, the idea of waiting years for a business to become profitable can be daunting. But what if I told you there are business models that could potentially pay for themselves in as little as 1 to 2 months? Intriguing, isn't it? In today's video, I will be sharing with you 9 different business ideas that offer the potential for quick returns. Do watch till the end, as you won't want to miss out on any of these business ideas. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Vending machines, the silent moneymakers. Have you ever considered the humble vending machine as a business opportunity? These automated retailers can be surprisingly lucrative when placed strategically. The key to success in the vending machine business lies in location and product selection. Imagine placing a machine offering fresh pastries and coffee in an office building, providing a convenient breakfast option for busy professionals. Or picture a vending machine in a park, dispensing cold drinks and snacks on a warm day. But here's where it gets interesting. Vending machines aren't just for food and drinks anymore. There are now machines that dispense flowers, jewelry, books, and even clothing. This diversification opens up new markets and customer bases. To succeed in this business, you'll need to 1. Find prime locations. 2. Match products to demographics. 3. Invest in modern machines. 4. Maintain and restock regularly. 5. Price competitively. Number 2. Professional cleaning services, tidying up profits. In our busy modern lives, cleanliness often takes a back seat. This creates a perfect opportunity for entrepreneurial individuals to step in and offer professional cleaning services. The demand for cleaning services is particularly high in urban areas, where people are willing to pay for the convenience of a spotless home or office. But don't be fooled. Success in this industry requires more than just a mop and bucket. To start a successful cleaning business, 1. Get professional equipment. 2. Hire and train reliable staff. 3. Develop strong branding and marketing. 4. Price competitively but profitably. 5. Consider niche specializations. The initial investment can be relatively low, primarily covering equipment, supplies, and marketing costs. With effective management and quality service, you could start seeing profits within the first couple of months. Number 3. Ghost kitchens, the future of food delivery. Have you heard of ghost kitchens? Also known as virtual kitchens or cloud kitchens, these are food preparation facilities set up for delivery-only meals. They're revolutionizing the restaurant industry by dramatically reducing overhead costs. Compared to opening a traditional restaurant, starting a ghost kitchen can cost up to 80% less. You don't need to worry about front-of-house staff, expensive decor, or prime real estate locations. Instead, you can focus entirely on creating delicious food and efficient delivery systems. Key steps to launch a ghost kitchen. 1. Create a delivery-friendly menu. 2. Secure kitchen space. 3. Partner with delivery apps. 4. Build online presence. 5. Optimize food prep and packaging. While the initial investment is lower than a traditional restaurant, you'll still need to budget for kitchen equipment, initial inventory, and marketing. However, with lower overhead costs, you could potentially see returns within 4 months. Number 4. Dropshipping, the low-risk e-commerce model. In the world of e-commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model for entrepreneurs looking to start with minimal upfront investment. But what exactly is dropshipping, and why is it so attractive? Dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever holding inventory. When a customer places an order in your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This model offers several advantages. 1. Low startup costs. 2. No warehousing. 3. Location independent. 4. Flexible product testing. 5. Scalable. To start, 1. Choose niche. 2. Find suppliers. 3. Set up e-commerce platform. 4. Create product listings. 5. Develop marketing strategy. While dropshipping can potentially start generating income quickly, it's important to note that building a sustainable, profitable business takes time and effort. Success often depends on finding the right products, optimizing your store, and effectively marketing to your target audience. Number 5. Online courses, monetizing your knowledge. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Whether it's digital marketing, yoga, coding, or cooking, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to monetize your knowledge and skills. The beauty of online courses is that they can generate passive income once created. You put in the work up front to develop the course, and then you can sell it repeatedly without additional effort. Steps to create a successful online course. 1. Identify expertise and audience. 2. Validate course idea. 3. Create engaging content. 4. Choose hosting platform. 5. Set competitive price. 6. Market across channels. While creating a high-quality course requires time and effort, the financial investment can be minimal. With the right topic and marketing strategy, you could start seeing returns within a couple of months. Number 6. Fruit cups. Business, a fresh take on healthy snacking. With the growing trend towards healthier eating, a fruit cup business could be a refreshing entrepreneurial venture. This business involves preparing and selling fresh fruit salads, or individual fruit cups, catering to health-conscious consumers looking for convenient, nutritious snacks. You have two main options for setting up this business. 1. Commercial space. 2. Home-based. Commercial, higher visibility, costs. Home-based, lower costs, more marketing. Regardless of the approach, you'll need to 1. Source quality fruits. 2. Develop appealing combinations. 3. Ensure food safety. 4. Create attractive packaging. 5. Establish efficient processes. With relatively low startup costs and high demand for healthy options, a fruit cup business could potentially become profitable within a couple of months. Number 7. Handmade soap. Cleaning up in the artisanal market. The handmade soap industry has been experiencing a boom in recent years. Consumers are increasingly seeking natural, artisanal products, and handmade soaps fit perfectly into this trend. But what makes this business idea so appealing? Handmade soaps offer several advantages. 1. Low startup costs. 2. Home-based. 3. Creative freedom. 4. High margins. 5. Expansion potential. To start your handmade soap business. 1. Learn process and safety. 2. Source ingredients. 3. Develop recipes. 4. Create packaging. 5. Set up sales channels. 6. Build natural, artisanal brand. With relatively low material costs and the potential for high markups, a handmade soap business could start generating profits within a few months. Number 8. Linen sewing. Stitching together a profitable business. The textile industry is evergreen, and within it, linen products hold a special place. Linen bedding in particular is always in demand due to its durability, comfort, and timeless appeal. Starting a linen sewing business could be a great way to tap into this market. Why consider a linen sewing business? 1. Steady demand. 2. Easy storage. 3. Simple production. 4. High margins. To get started, 1. Develop skills. 2. Source fabrics. 3. Get equipment. 4. Create product range. 5. Set up sales channels. While you might start with more affordable fabrics like cotton or coarse calico, you could expand into higher-end materials like silk or high-quality linen as your business grows. Number 9. Microgreens. Small plants, big potential. Microgreens are young vegetable greens that are approximately 1 to 3 inches tall. These tiny plants pack a nutritional punch and are increasingly popular in high-end restaurants and health-conscious households. Growing microgreens for sale can be the profitable venture with several advantages. 1. Year-round, any climate. 2. Minimal space. 3. Low startup costs. 4. Quick harvest. 5. High demand, good margins. To start your microgreens business. 1. Research varieties. 2. Set up growing area. 3. Get basic equipment. 4. Develop schedule. 5. Find customers. With low initial costs and quick crop turnover, a microgreens business could potentially become profitable within a couple of months. We've explored 9 diverse business ideas that could become profitable quickly. Each has unique pros and cons. Choose one that fits your skills, interests, and resources. Entrepreneurship is about learning and growth. Whether you pick one of these ideas or create your own, taking action is key. Start small, learn, and be ready to adapt. Your entrepreneurial journey awaits. Which path will you choose? Comment below. You may also wish to check out my other video on 9 passive income ideas to make $25K weekly in the link above and in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these awesome small business ideas. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.